Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Boxycharm by Ipsy, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I have the latest version, which is from June 2023. When I did my selections, I was extra cranky. I was not pleased with the choices that were offered to me. There were so many products that I literally list as rarely send me. There was a face powder, there was some face oil, lots of cleansers. On choice one, there were two of the exact same lipstick, just in different shades, which honestly look practically identical. Choice two, I really didn't care for anything, so I think I picked up a duo of brushes. I don't know. I was not pleased with the choices. I did not feel that Ipsy has changed or made things for the better since they took over Boxycharm. But who knows? Once I look in the box, maybe I'll change my mind, or maybe I'll be crankier than ever. If anyone's new, welcome. Or if anyone isn't aware of what Ipsy is a beauty subscription. This here is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is $28.99 a month, plus there's a $2 handling fee. And so with tax, it's around $32 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products, and you get to select 3 of those products. All right, so yay, it is packaged slightly better than the last few months. We have not 1, not 2, but 3 pieces of paper, which made the box like full so that nothing could really rattle around, but we shall see if anything came broken. Okay, I'm seeing one of the items they put in my box for me, and now it's coming back to me why I was a little extra cranky. It just so happens it's a product I already own that I received 2 years ago. And that product is this one here from BAKERIE. It is the Lemon Bar Face Palette, which comes with 2 bronzer shades and a highlighter. This is what it looks like. I'm going to grab the one I already own, and that way I can do some swatches. I'm just going to set this aside for a future giveaway. It looks like I only swatched it. I don't ever remember using it. My guess is that the shades are a little too warm tone for me, but let's take a look with the swatches. All right, so here we have the dark shade. There is the lighter shade, which you can barely see on me. And there is the highlighter. The highlighter looks really pretty. The Lemon Bar by BAKERIE retails for $18. All right, the next product I got from Ipsy is this one here from Dew of the Gods. It's an Ultratonic watermelon extract. Basically, that's a fancy way of saying it's a facial toner. This is pretty hefty. You get 100 ml. I did see someone unbox this, and sadly, even though it is a watermelon extract, it does not smell like watermelon. I have so many toners going at the moment. This comes with plastic wrap, so I'm just going to leave it in the box for now. But let's take a look at the app and find out how much that bad boy retails for. Holy cow, that is a pricey toner. It retails for $36. All right, now let's get on to the products that I selected. Okay, for choice one, I ended up picking this lip product from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. It is a satin lipstick, and I picked it up in the shade Lychee. Honestly, with the photos online, and also with the box being red, I have a feeling this is not going to be a shade I will enjoy. I'm going to show the screenshot of my choices. See how similar both of those lip shades were. Oh goodness gracious, yes. So oh my goodness, yeah. So this is a very rust orangey red, and your girl, I'm into the nudie pinks. So all right, let's see how much that retails for. Wow, considering it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, I thought it was going to be in the 30s. It's only $23, so that's not too shabby. The packaging is substantial. I mean, it is metal. It does not have a magnetic closure, but you can clip it closed. At $23, if you can find a shade you like, that's not too bad from a nice brand like Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right, the next product, if I'm picking something like this, you know the choices were not good. All right, so I got a brush duo from Farah. It's a face brush set. Let's take a look and see the quality. It's nice that it came with one of these protectors. Okay, ooh, that's really soft. It's not super flimsy, but not super dense, like a good medium. That's great for powder. I don't use powder, so I would use a brush like this for blush or possibly bronzer. And this brush here comes with a plastic protector. This brush is also super soft. This one's a little more flimsy. I would also use this for blush or contour. It depends on the products. Sometimes if something's really pigmented, I will use a fluffier brush, and if it is more maybe cream or not super pigmented, I'll use a brush like this and just really go to town. But I am not mad. I love brushes, but typically I will pick up a nice skincare item or a really good makeup product, and there just wasn't anything really calling my name in choice number 2. The brushes retail for $24, so $12 a brush, which is, I would say, medium, not super high-end price, but more than I normally would spend. So it's good to get brushes at that price point in a beauty subscription box. All right, and then the last item is this product here, which is from a brand I've never heard of called TOVEGAN or TOVEGAN. It's an orange Oasis serum. You get 50 ml and it retails for $26, which, if I love this serum, is a really good price point. Typically, I like getting like bougie higher end in beauty subscriptions. I don't know, there's something about, ooh, my box value was $160 and I only spent $30. That kind of makes you feel good. But this one is actually very affordable if I do fall in love with it. Interesting, it is not glass. It's like a plastic bottle with a dropper. Let's see if this has a scent. Since the packaging is orange, I'm predicting it's going to have a citrus scent, but we shall see. All right. No, it doesn't seem to have any scent at all. Oh, wait. If I shove it up into my nose and breathe really, it's super faint, but it does have a citrus scent that you can barely even pick up. But let's see how well the product goes into my skin. It's slightly tacky, not super tacky, but I bet if I didn't keep touching it in a couple minutes, it would feel fine. All right, let's recap everything I got in the June 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy. I got the Lemon Bar Face Palette from Beauty Bakerie, the Watermelon Extract Facial Toner from Duo of the Gods, a face brush duo from Farah, a bullet lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the Orange Oasis Serum from TOVEGAN. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this box is pretty meh. I am, however, not as cranky as I was when I was doing my selections. Were my selections still crap? Yes, they were. Is this box very good? No, it's not. But it's not horrible, but it's pretty meh. Honestly, I did the selection, and in hindsight, I probably should have picked up that blush and highlighter duo. I don't know. At the time, I was just like, I've been getting so many blushes, and I love lip products. But this shade, which I picked, it's just the other shade was like almost identical. And online, I thought, ooh, maybe that's a nice darker nude. No, it's very brick orangey red and just not my jam. That's on me. But the other items, no, did not want or care for. I love tonics. This one's bougie in my opinion at $36. At some point in the future, I will give it a try. I just wish it actually smelled like watermelon. I was disappointed in this just because I already own it. And I got it 2 years ago. So, Ipsy, maybe work on getting some products that, they don't need to be just launched, but maybe not 2+ years old. The product I'm most excited is this serum. I love serums, and I love something with a nice citrus orangey scent. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'm predicting this box is going to be a very low value, because if the most expensive item in the box is a toner, you know the value is not going to be very high. And it's not always about the value. Sometimes that makes me happy, but when the products are meh, and on top of that the value's low, then yeah, not the best box. But I want to hear from you. Did you get your box yet? Let me know if you enjoyed your box, or if your box and choices were also pretty disappointing this month. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking the thumbs up really helps with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.